Hi class! Today we're going to be reviewing how to measure using a ruler. On the screen we have a picture of something that we're going to measure over here. Before we start, we need to remember that when we see an object and want to measure it, we have to follow these steps. So number 1, you're going to estimate how long the object is. Number 2 is you're going to get your ruler ready and set it up. And then number 3 is you're going to actually measure, and when you do this, you're going to round to the nearest half inch or centimeter, whatever unit you're using to measure. Now let's take a look at our object. So we're going to be measuring this blue beach bucket. So the first step is to estimate how tall we think the bucket is. So I think that our bucket, if we're measuring from like right here to right there to see how tall it is. I'm going to say it's about 7.5 inches. Now our second step is to set up our ruler. So we're going to put our ruler right there so we can measure from the very bottom to the very top. And now the third step is to measure and round to the nearest tenth. So if you look, our number, or our bucket, falls between 5 and 6. So if we have 5 inches and 6 inches, we have to find where in the middle our bucket is. So if you look, it's at 5.5 inches. And then once you measure, you can decide if your estimate was close or if you were kind of far off. And that way you can know for next time how to do your estimate. Alright, so now that you've seen me do an example, I want you guys to go around your house. Go around your house and find 3 different objects. It can be anything you want. Once you've found them, you're going to follow along with our 3 steps of our process of how to measure, which are up here, and that way you can find out how big your objects are.